All right, let's look at part B of number 10. Find the acceleration of the particle at time t. All right, let's start there. Acceleration is the derivative of velocity. All right, acceleration is the rate of change of the rate of change. It's how quickly you're speeding up or slowing down. All right, so the derivative of cosine is negative sine, and the derivative of the inside is pi over 6. So I'm just going to go ahead and move that to the front. Voila. All right, then they ask us, is the speed of the particle increasing, decreasing, or neither? Well, there's two things going on here. There's direction, and then there's speed. So if the acceleration is negative, that doesn't necessarily mean the particle's slowing down. It might mean the particle's slowing down only if it's moving forward. But if the particle's moving backwards, the acceleration will also be negative. So we need to check the acceleration and the velocity sign. So let's see which direction the particle is moving at for. Let's see if the velocity is negative. All right, pi over 6 times 4 is 2 pi over 3. Right, let's look at our unit circle. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6. 4, 6 is pi over 3. All right, so the cosine in that quadrant is going to be negative. Okay, so our particle is moving backwards. So that means if the acceleration is also negative, then the speed is actually increasing. It's just increasing in a backwards motion. So when velocity and acceleration have the same sign, the particle is speeding up. When velocity and acceleration have opposite signs, the particle is slowing down. Okay, let's see what sign we get for the acceleration. Again, I just plugged in pi over 6 for t and simplified it to 2 pi over 3. All right, the sign in the same quadrant is going to be positive because that's the y value. But if I take a positive and I multiply it by negative pi over 6, I'm going to get a negative again. All right, therefore, at t equals 4, the particle is speeding up. Or the speed is increasing, you could say. Because this is important, you want to say that v of 4 and a of 4 have the same sign.